जय जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग गंधार्विका गिरधारी श्री राधालित माधव लाल जू की जय। श्री कृष्ण बलराम जी महाराज की जय। श्री पानु गुरु वर्ग की जय। श्री गुरुदेव की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। समागत भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे। Hey, how we know they are hearing? How we understand?
I just want to tell you, she said, we can get her second. But she won't call me. Let me get her. I really just said, I think, yeah, what she said. She said, we can get her.
श्री अद्वैत प्रकटीकृत नरहरि परेश श्रेष्ठ स्वरूप प्रिय नित्यानंद सख सनातन गति स्वरूप हृत केतन लक्ष्मी प्राणपति गदाधर रसोल्लासी जगन्नाथ सांगो पांग सपार्षदम सदयताम देवः सचिनंदन श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. Nitla Prishtom Vishnupad Ashtur Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj. Nitla Prishtom Vishnupad Ashtur Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. All Sri Rupana Guru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So, 24th of June is starting Festival Gundicha Marjan.
No.
So, Sriman Mahaprabhu, who is the Jagat Guru, but he is himself teaching to us how can do seva to Thakurji. Seva vasana is the main things. Can preach. Jad jad acharati shrestha tadeva itaro jana sajad pramanam kurute lokas tadnu vartate. Higher personalities what is following, that is proof. Then another, all are walking same way, doing same things, what Mahapurush did and what orders. So Kaviraj Goswami is this Gundicha Marjan Leelas so sweetly is explaining how Mahaprabhu with his own devotees Gundicha temple is cleaning. Sri Gundicha Mandiram Atma Vrindaye सम्मार्जन छालनत स गौर स्वचितवत् शीतलम उज्ज्वलं च कृष्णोपवेशो पैकम चकार। स गौर श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु आत्मवृंदय with his own devotees cleaning Gundicha temple, Sri Gundicha Mandiram Sammarjan. What cleaning? What is inside temple? Dust, stone, throne, and another unnecessary things. These all things Mahaprabhu take out. And after that, so nicely cleaning with water. Not only that, after cleaning, if Mahaprabhu find out somewhere spot, somewhere still dust, then Mahaprabhu using own cloth, and by that cloth this all dust, this all spot removing, and make temple so shining, so clean, so bright. And Mahaprabhu, when cleaning this cold water, also make temple so cool. So by this Leelas, showing Mahaprabhu's temple making cold and clean like own heart. Swachitvat means Mahaprabhu's own heart keeping outside, cleaning through cleaning the temples. Where can Krishna sit? Krishna where can sit? Where so clean and so cold. Where can Krishna no feel any disturbance? But that is two places. One is temple, one is devotee's heart. Devotee's heart, if no any desire, then that is so cool. Krishna Bhakt Niskam Ateva Sant Bhukti Mukti Siddhi Kami Sakale Asan. Krishna devotees are peaceful because they have no any desire. They know asking nothing. So they are peaceful. And who have so much desire, bhogas, mochas, and another siddhis, anima, lagima, garima, this ashta siddhis, they all are disturbed. And who are disturbed, there how can Krishna sit? If Krishna go there, then Krishna also disturbed. This cause Mahapurush cleaning this temple and showing temple is like our heart, house outside cleaning, same inside clean. And makes so cold where Krishna come and feel so happy. So heart how can be cold? If heart have no any materials, fire, no any material fire like Adhyatmik, Adi Daivik and Adi Bhautik. Worldly people so much disturbed by mind, by bodies, by outside disturbance, through demigods or this and that. So this all fire only stopped by Krishna Seva Vasanas. Sri Krishna Seva Vasana gives so much cooling because Seva is one Anand. Or when absorber that Anand, then another disturbance not affect. Fully absorb bhakta these things. So by this Leelas, Mahaprabhu so much teaching. What is dust? Dust means so much karma vasanas, so much self interest, senses enjoyment. This type desire, that called karmas. This is one type fire. And people so much burning that. Another is throne, a stone. This is like muktis and yogas, gyan, which gyanis know. How I can get muktis, how I can get Brahm Sajujyas, how I can get siddhis. So these all are like throne. And who have this type mood, they cannot do any seva Thakurji's. And by that mood, Thakurji cannot be happy. Because this time moods like spear. And that spear hitting to Thakurji's. If someone do seva, someone do bhajan, chant Hare Krishna or something, and asking, give me mukti, give me bhoga, this, give me that, from their bhaktis disappear, not stain. Because this asking these all on things, Bhagavan said then. Because worship to Bhagavan on asking to material things, on asking to muktis, like own self-interest. So these all are conquers, all are stones. After that, Mahaprabhu cleaning this all big thing, what can actually work. Still, some small things there, some spot. But that is what we cannot find. Devotees so much doing bhajan, coming ruchi level, asakti level, bhav level. But it is somewhere subtle way some spot is staying. That called kutinati, teaching mood, pratisthasa. Means how I can get so much respect and material benefit from people and kill to another person, giving insults, like so much disturbance. That also one time hinsa, violent. And Nisid Achar, engaged to bhakti's thing doing. Whose thing doing? No allowed by Shastras. And love, puja, pratisthas. This is very subtle things we cannot see. And this is problem. We have this type anarthas, then that is cantonment place. And Bhagavan, how can see that place? This cause Mahaprabhus, no want any contaminant, no any want dirt, everything clean. Means one Sudha devotees, one pure devotees who are doing Anya Vilasita Sunya Bhakti. Which Bhakti is not Gyan Karma cover. One is Krishna Seva Vasanas. There are no any desire. Only that way, that devotees can satisfy Bhagavan. So, what asked to bhoga and moksha, who are enjoying to that thing, who are intent to that thing, how they can taste Sudh pure bhaktis, who are fully sinking that anarthas. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Rupa Goswami was saying, if even desire of this, two dangers, or who are accepting this thing, how can they save? How can they get Sudh bhaktis? So, these all anarthas have to clean. Bhukti mukti svirha pisachi javad hirdi vartate tavad bhakti sukha satra katham abhidayo bhavet. In heart, so much desire for bhoga, moksha, jnana, karma, and love, puja, pratishtha, this all desire if anyone have, then how they can realize Krishna's service? How their Krishna service manifest? Bhukti mukti svrapisa javad hridya tavat bhakti sukhasya atra katham abhidayo bhavet. Bhakti's happiness when manifest, where's no any competitor, no any another desire, no another cheating mood, no dharmarth kam moch. Then your real bhakti ras can taste. And this taste when come, then saying Sri Krishna Charnam Bhoja Seva Nirvita Chetsam, who are fully absorbed Krishna Sevas. Cleaning temple, cleaning Thakur's cloth, giving Thakur's bath, making Thakur's garland, prasadam, offering many sevas, hearing Hari Katha, chanting Hari Nam, and doing many like this. All are transcendental things. Krishna Nam, Krishna Gun, Krishna Leela Brind, Krishna Swarup Sam, Sab Chidanand. Krishna's everything who are relating with Krishna and it serve that thing, all are transcendental. On whose heart fully sinking to this service, there no another unearth manifest. Sri Krishna Charam Bhoja Seva Nirvita Chet Same Sang Mochaya Bhakta Namna Kadachit Spirha Bhave. Sri Krishna Charanam Bhoja Seva Nirvita Chet Sam, whose heart fully absorb Krishna's service. So there no another pravrittis come, no another anartha come. No this type desire coming, no this type anarthas coming. And you have this all clean, go away. So these Gundicha temples, cleanings, leelas, so much giving devotional mood. Because these things own self Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing, who is Jagat Guru. And this bhav is thinking, look, Braj Gopis, how morning early wake up and they clean everything, clean courtyard, clean all place. And just thinking, if morning early Thakur just come and look, my area is dirty, then mind must go. If your area dirty, then must your heart also dirty, because you cannot give proper place, cleaning place for me to play or do some leelas. This kind of gopis are own heart on own areas, same thinking. Means by cleaning that areas, heart also automatically clean. Because Krishna service, Krishna Hari Nam, do seva, then automatically all anartha go on heart clean. This because Mahaprabhu said, Cheto Darpan Marjanam, Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam, Sreya Kairav Chandrika Vitranam, Vidya Vadhu Jivanam, Ananda Mudhi Vardhanam, Pratipadam, Purna Mita Swadanam, Sarvatmasna Panang Parang Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtan. Through Hari Nam, you do all sevas. Any seva you do, any Sravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Bandhan, Pad, Sevan, Archan, all limbs of bhaktis connected with Hari Nam. If separate Hari Nam and do this seva, this also become ordinaries. This because when Mahaprabhu is cleaning temple, Gundicha temple, chanting Krishna Krishna, on Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. When you will hear this Lila Katha, then you will hear Mahaprabhu by chanting cleaning area and by chanting cleaning Thakur's temple. Means they chant Krishna 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 and cleaning by brooms. They chant Krishna Krishna taking pot of water and cleaning. Gopi are same thing doing, because Mahaprabhu's died mood, Radhika's mood doing this Gundicha temple cleaning leelas. Like similar, gopis morning early wake up and cleaning, everything doing, all service, but chanting Krishna's name. Jo dohane, abhanne, manthno palempane, preng khainkanarva rudito, chan marjanado, gayanti chainam anurakta dhiyasru kantayo, dhanya brajstriyaru krama chittaja. They were doing all activities through the Harinam. Govinda Damodar Madhavi. Milking cows, cleaning courtyard, rice, making separate skin rice, paddy, no? How can say? Grinding mortar on that time. When put any child putting on palkin, on jhul swing, and they are also chanting Govinda Damodar Madhavi. So these the Mahaprabhus cleaning this Gundicha temple through Harinam, Keto Darpan Marjanam. All seva do, all bhakti slims follow through Harinam. So Mahaprabhu is so kind. He no need to do this, because all should worship to him. He is Bhagavan, but Bhagavan also coming our platform. Gurudev is not like us. They are Nisidh Parikar, or maybe Sadhan Siddh Parikar, but they are not ordinaries. But for teaching to us, they are coming our levels. This is mercy, self following this everything, or then preaching this things. Then easy to do. Some are say do this, you do that, but no one self, then problem. So this cause, this Leelas, Kaviraj Goswami describing so sweet Leelas before Rath Jatras cleaning to Gundicha temple. So I will read some payar of Chaitanya Charitamrita, how this Leela happened. जय जय गौर चंद्र जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्त गण शक्ति देह करी जैन चैतन्य वर्णन. Kaviraj Goswami is so humbly lamenting Parikar of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he is saying all glory to Sachinandan Gaur Hari, all glory to Gaur Chandras, all glory to Nityanand Prabhu, all glory to Advaita Chart and all Mahaprabhu's devotees. Srivas and Gadadhar Pandit and all another Parikas. They should give me power, they should give me mercy, then I can able to explain Chaitanya Leelas. Because Mahaprabhu's Leelas, only mercy of Mahaprabhu Bhaktas, he can touch. Otherwise, Mahaprabhu's, this all Leelas, so hidden, so secret. This cause, Prabodhana Saraswati Pada also saying in Chaitanya Chandramrita, Acharya Dharmam, Paricharya Vishnu, Vicharya Tirthani, Vicharya Vedan, Vinana Gaura Priya Pada Sevam Veda Didus Prap Padam Vidanti. As much you follow rule regulations, as much read Ved, Puran, Gita, Bhagavad, so much worship to Vishnus, and so much move to holy places. Go to north to south, east to west, all holy places. But without Mahaprabhu's devotees' mercy, Gaur Tattva we cannot reach, cannot understand. Gaur Tattva so deep. Even Vedas, Puran, Upanishad, they are searching how we can reach. But if mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, mercy of Advaita Charya, mercy of Rup Sanatan, very easy. We can reach, we can understand, or we can describe. This cause, Kaviraj Goswami is begging to all Gaur Parikars, Shakti Deha Karijen Chaitanya Varna. All give me strength, power, mercy. I can able explain Chaitanya Leelas. पूर्वे दक्षिण हैते प्रभु जबे आइला तारे मिलिते गजपति उत्कंठित है. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned from South India, and when Gajapati Prataparudra kings heard Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned, then so eager how I can visit to him. कटक हैते पत्री दिला सार्वभौम ठाई प्रभु रे आज्ञा है यदि देखी बारे जाए. When Mahaprabhu returned from South India to Jagannath Puri, that time Pratap Rudra was in Katak, nearby Puri. When he heard, then he write one letter to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. They are very close. And later saying, प्रभु रे आज्ञा है यदि देखी बारे जाए. If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's order, if he allow me, then I can go and I can take his darshan. भट्टाचार्य लिखिल प्रभु रे आज्ञा न हैलो, पुनरपि राजा तारे पत्री पठाई. When Gajapati is write to Sarva Bhattacharya, your arrangement, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can permit me for his darshan. But Bhattacharya saying, no, Mahaprabhu is not order. So he cannot see to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Raja heard like this, then again he is writing another letters. And saying, Prabhur nikate ache jat bhaktagan, मोर लागी सारे करिहा निवेदन. Gajapati Pratap Rudra said to Sarva Bhattacharya, oh, with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, many devotees are staying. You go and from my side, pray to them. If they give mercy, if they pray for me, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I think possible his darshan. मोरे लागी ताज सवार करिहा निवेदन. You tell to them, he pray to Mahaprabhu, Gajapati, king can see to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. सही सब दयालु मोरे हैया सदै, मोर लागी प्रभु पदे करिवे बिना. ताज सवार सारे मिले श्री प्रभु रे पाए, प्रभु कृपा बिना मोर राज नहीं. King is not so intelligent. He know procedure how can reach to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Previous procedure is saying, you directly pray for me, I can see him. But Mahaprabhu deny, then understand, bhakti is not directly, bhakti is under guidance. So immediate he is saying, no, he pray to his parikars. Because Bhagavan always captured by his devotees. So, you can capture that Bhagavan if you melt his heart, and if he permit, he allow, then Bhagavan where can go? Because they are tied him by his affection rope. If you like to catch Krishna, then pray to Jasoda mother. Because Jasoda mother tied to Krishna. So you say, oh, I like to see your Krishna. Then say, look, he's there, already tied. You go and as you like, behave with him, no problem. You cannot run away. But without mother permission, you go catch to Krishna. Krishna is so fast running, more than mind, more than thought, more than your idea. As much use your idea, as much you use your mind and knowledge, this is not enough to reach Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna's lotus feet. But if his bhakti's ideas, bhakti's mercy, bhakti's power use, then Bhagavan cannot go distant. As much is powerful, but is still controlled by that. This cause Sarva Pratap Rudra said to Sarva Bhattacharya, pray to all devotees, they will pray for me, then I can reach to Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. If Mahaprabhu not darshan, not his mercy, Prabhu कृपा बिना मोरे राज नहीं भाई. If Mahaprabhu not give me mercy, then I know like to this kingdom. So pray to all devotees, ta savar prasade mile Sri Prabhu re paai. If they mercy, then I can reach Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. यदि मोरे कृपा न करीबे गौर हरि, राज छाड़ी जोगी है वो भिखारी. This is the nishtha of Pratap Rudra. If Mahaprabhu not give me mercy, then I throw this kingdom. I become yogis, I become beggar. For his mercy, what need I will do, I throw, but I want to him. One devotees, this time mentality necessary. this type this attachment necessary. Like Vitrasur, he also saying, without you, I no want anything. Na kapristham, na chaparyameshtam, na sarvabhaumam, na rasadhipatyam, na yoga siddhir apunar bhavamba samanjasatva virajaya kanchi. Without you, without your separation, I no want heaven, no want atal vital sutal planets, no want to muktis, no want to yog siddhis, no want to Brahma padvis, Indra padvis, nothing anything. So king also saying, without your lotus feet, no like anything. No material power and position, or no any siddhis and this and that. भट्टाचार्य पत्री देखी चिंतित हैया, भक्तगण पास गेला सही पत्री लैया. सवारे मिलिया कहिला राज्य विवरण, पीछे से ही पत्री सवार कराइला दर्शन. Bhattacharya took this letter what Prataparudra written, and he's so worried because kings saying, I will leave everything, I become yogi and beggar. Then Bhattacharya understand necessary, no, anyhow king can see to Mahaprabhu because he's one devotee and he go distance from Mahaprabhu lotus feet is not good. Then so much disturbance seva is Jagannath servant, also Bhakta Mahaprabhu. This cause is worry. If kings become mad or run away, then how can protect him? So Bhattacharya went to all devotees and telling his all behavior in details, what king want, how is no love and affection for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So all devotees saw this letter. Patri dekhi savar mane hailo vismay, Prabhu pade gajapatri eta bhakti hai. When devotees are saw that letter, they so astonished, surprised. Oh, kings have this much love and affection for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Oh, his life is success. सबे कहे प्रभु तारे कभू न मिलीबे, आमी सब कही यदि दुख से मानी. Then all devotees are discussing. He has so much affection, but we know Mahaprabhu's mind is determined. If one time he deny, then deny. So Mahaprabhu never give him darshan. And if we request, then Mahaprabhu must feel pain in heart. Because what things my Prabhu no like to do and we say do like that, this is pain for Prabhu, Mahaprabhu. So devotees so much disturb, so much difficulties, what do, what not do. सार्वभौम कहे सब चला एक बार, मिलिते न कहिबो राज व्यवहार. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya so intelligent and saying, okay, we can go Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's place. We will not tell him to see to king, but we can say how his behavior, what is bond, how much he have love affection for you. This step we just tell. Indirectly tell, then Mahaprabhus understand. Because Mahaprabhus understand, no necessary to fully open way tell you do that. Indirectly telling also it take meaning. Why so much glorifying to king? And Bhattacharya so intelligent, he is master of 10 languages, so he know which situation what to do. So one way they deciding, and eta bali sabe gela Mahaprabhu sthane, kahi te unmukh sabe na kahe bachan. All devotees came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu telling about Prataparudras. They want to say something, but mouth is not opening. Here, if Mahaprabhu upset or angry, or then say, okay, you take this King Darshan, take King donation on King Raj Bhogan Rasgulla, I am going somewhere. because he always desire visit to king. If this time Mahaprabhu talks something, then big problem, then he's stopping Mahaprabhu's. Big problem, if Mahaprabhu leave us, then we will death. So there's too much thinking, too much tension what to do. So not telling anything. प्रभु कहे कि कहिते सवार आगमन देखिए कहिते चाह न कहा की कारण. When they came and want to say something but no speaking but his body language, devotees' bodies, eyes and how they behaving, Mahaprabhu understand they came telling something, but some cause they are not speaking. Then Mahaprabhu asked, oh, say, why came? I can understand, all are trying to say something, but some cause not speaking. What is that? नित्यानंद कहे तुम्हार चाही निवेदिते न कहिले रहिते नारी कहिते भय चिते. That time Nityananda Prabhu was the second Swarup of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, where Mahaprabhu, like mad elephant, out of all control of devotees, because who can order on instruction or some tell, sometimes they all devotees in fear, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking that role, and Nityananda Prabhu taking that position. On some situation he speak, his elder brothers, and he is no respectable deity of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So that Nityananda Prabhu is telling to Mahaprabhu. नित्यानंद कहे तुम्हारे चाही निवेदिते ना कहिले रहिते नारी कहिते भय चिते. Nityananda Prabhu saying, I want some request you, but too much fear. Not telling also cannot stay, necessary to tell, and telling also so much fear. What can do? I want tell, but same time I so much feel fear. जोग्या जोग तुम्हारे सब चाही निवेदिते तुम्हा न मिलिले राजा चाहे जोगी है. Last Nityananda Prabhu saying, I don't know what is right, what is wrong. Maybe my telling is wrong or maybe right, I don't know. But I am your servant, I am your bhaktas, on one bhaktas, on Prabhus, everything should tell. This depend to Prabhu what take decision. So what I understand, what I heard, this thing I am telling you. King is saying, Gajapati Pratap is saying, if I not take Darshan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then I become Jogi. काने मुद्र लई मुई है वो भिखारी राज भोग नहे चीते बिना गौर है. देखिवे से मुख चंद्र नयन भरिया धरिव से पाद पद्म हृदय तू. Gajapati saying, if Mahaprabhu is not giving mercy, then I put in ear some mudras, like some mark by some bones of jaikal, this type some special using, and they put some mark. This is called kan mudras. This is the symbol of yogis. So if Mahaprabhu not mercy become like this type yogis, I know like to any material enjoyment. Without Mahaprabhu's lotus moon darshans, life is useless. So I want to see his face and I like to catch his lotus feet and putting my heart. If that feet come my heart, then my all burning will go. Because Mahaprabhu's feet is so cool. Or if I take this, then my all materials problem, burning, suffer, everything stop. This cause I want to his feet forever. यद्यपि सुनिया प्रभु रे कोमल है मन तथापि बाहिरे कहे निष्ठुर वचन. When Mahaprabhu hearing Pratap Rudra lamenting through Nityananda Prabhu, he is becoming more soft and soft and soft. But still, Leelas, one sannyasi, what to do? This cause Mahaprabhu becomes so hard and speaking so harsh, so cruel words, and saying, Toma savar ichha hai, hey, amare laiya, raja ke mila hi katak tagiya. Oh, this is all devotees' desire. Take me and take to me Katak, and I take to Raja's darshan. I go to near my king. परमार्थ ठाकुर लोके करीबे निंदन, लोक रहो तुम्हार दामोदर करीबे भर्सन. Mahaprabhu saying, this is not transcendental way. This is not devotional path. One sannyasi go to one beside king. Because Shastra is saying, who like to really bhajan and who like to cross death and birth oceans, this time Niskinchan sannyasis, no need to do two things. Niskinchanasya bhagavad bhagno mukhasya param param jigirmiso bhavasagarasya sandarsanam visayina matha jositancha ha hanta hanta this bhajto apasad. Who are Niskinchan, who like to Krishna bhajan, like to cross all anarthas, death and birth oceans, this type devotees taking to darshan besides materials people, materials, mayas, this more bad than drinking poison. Because poison drinking destroy any bodies, no mind, no sanskar, nothing. But this type associate so much disturb. Also one place saying, even pictures of deities of this type people, if fear, आकारादपि भेदपि स्त्रीणाम विषयनाम अपि जथा अहिर मनसा छौव तथा तस्याकृतेरपि. Like in picture you looking some lion, some snake, just looking even picture, mind disturbed. Some chov coming, fear coming. Or originally look really snake, then how kill? Similarly, this time, besides person even looks, this too much fearful. And it talk, and some make relationship, and some taking and giving this, that, then this is more dangerous. So, if I do like that, then my devotional way finish. And what is devotional? All material people will tell, this type sannyasis. And okay, these worldly people, what said, I no care, but Sarup Damodar, he must chastise to me. You are this type sannyasi is going to take king darshan. Whose shastra is written like this sannyasi go, this and sannyasi look to ladies, sannyasi to king. So, Toma Savar Agyayami na Damodar kahe jabe mili tabe tare. Saying, if all you instruction me, I cannot see king. If Sarup Damodar say, okay, you have to give darshan that king, then I will follow him. Because he is so learned and so much, he know behavior, what to do with situation. So ask what he is telling. So I know follow to all devotees, but if Sarup something tell, what wrong, what right for me, I will do that things. Because I am not fully independent. So see what Sarup Damodar's instructions. Damodar kahe tumi swatantra iswar, kartab akartab sab tumhare gochar. Sarup Damodar saying, who can give you advice? You are independent Bhagavans. Or you know what to do, what to not do. So I will give you no rule and regulations. Ami kon chudra jiv tomake vidhi divo, aap tahavu स्नेह करे तुम्ही स्नेह बस तार स्नेह करावे तारे तुम्हारे परस जद्यपि स्वर तुम्ही परम स्वतंत्र तथापि स्वभावे हो प्रेम परतंत्र. Sarup Damodar is saying, I am a small jeev. How much I have power? I will give you order. I will give instructions, rule and regulations. But I know आपने मिलेबे तारे ताहाव देखिए. I will see one day, you will visit him yourself. Because king is so much love affection for you, or you are under love and affections. So his love pull one day you, and his love allow to you, he can touch your feet. I know you are Bhagavan, you are independent, but your nature always under control by love and affection. Sarup Damodar saying, you are Bhagavan, you are independent, but your nature no like that. Nature, by nature you are under love and affection. So tathapi स्वभाव परम प्रेम परतन. नित्यानंद कहे ऐसे है कौन जन जे तुम्हारे कहे कर राज दर्शन. After Nityanand Prabhu also saying, who are in this world who can instruction order to you, oh Prabhu, you take this king darshan. Who can tell like that? किंतु अनुरागी लोकेर स्वभाव एक है, इष्ट न पाइले निज प्राण से छाड़ा. I know order you take to darshan king, but situation different. King is so much anuragi, so much attached with you, so much love and affections. Or if one lover, one anuragi is, if not getting his goal, what he want, then he also living. This thing he also know. Isht na paile nij pran se chhada. So now situation, if he not take your darshan, then he will leave body. So now we decide what to do, not to do, but we know order. जागिक ब्राह्मणी सब ताहते प्रमाण कृष्ण लागी पति आगे छाड़ लेके पर. नित्यानंद प्रभु saying this जागिक ब्राह्मण मथुरास, they are big प्रमाण, they for Krishna living bodies. एक जुक्ति आछे यदि कर अवधान तुम्ही न मिली लेहे तारे रहे तार प्राण. एक बहिर्वास यदि देहा कृपा करी ताहा पाइया प्राण राखे तुम्हारे आशा धरी. Okay, you cannot visit, but you do one things. He give one bahirvas, your one cloth, and he can take this cloth and he will leave. Because Mahaprabhu's things, none different from Mahaprabhu's. So when he get this cloth, he think I meet to Mahaprabhu. Prabhu कहे तुम्ही सब परम विद्वान, जय भाल है सही कर समाधान. तबे नित्यानंद गोसाई गोविंद रे पास मांग्या लैला प्रभु एक बहिर्वास. सही बहिर्वास सार्वभौम पास दिला, सार्वभौम सही वस्त्र राजा रे पठाइला. वस्त्र पाए राजा रहे आनंद तमान, प्रभु रूप करी करे वस्त्र रे पूजन. So Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu went to Govindas. Govinda give one cloth of Mahaprabhu's Bahirvas, or that Bahirvas to Bhattacharya and give to king. And king taking this cloth and worshipping him like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So means Bhagavan's or Bhagavan's Bhaktas relating things same. You getting Bhagavan's cloth and Bhagavan's malas and Bhagavan's chandans, anything prasadam, this all are Sachidanand, same. So this way Gajapatis pacify and thinking I got Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, I got Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's darshan through the cloth. But still heart is so much burning, still he like to visit, because as much get mercy, as much get kripa, no one can satisfy by kripa, by bhakti, by mercies. As much getting, more desire come. So he want more, closely take his darshan, and after what happened, next Saturday or Sunday, we will speak how Mahaprabhu give mercy to Gajapati's house, cleaning Gundicha temple, and after that, house Jagannath Rath Jatras. This all Leela Kathas, time to time we will hear. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Jai Sri Gurudev ki, Jai Sri Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari.